Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to download and install WinRAR application on your Windows laptop. It's pretty much easy and simple, so let's begin our video. So first you need to open any kind of browser. So just I use my Chrome browser. You can also use Chrome browser. And now you need to go on search bar and type WinRAR. Just type WinRAR and then search it. Okay, after type WinRAR, then you can get on the first option www.winrar.com. Just open this link. Okay, after open this link, you can see an option there. You can see download WinRAR. There you can see download WinRAR. Just click it. Then you can see this page. There you can see, and at first is buy WinRAR and second one is download WinRAR. Just you need to click download WinRAR. Okay, there you can see my WinRAR exe file already downloading. You need to wait for 100% download. Okay guys, there you can see almost complete. 2.8. Why 1 minute? Three. Sorry, what's the problem? So just resume. So there you can see it's again downloading. Okay guys, there you can see it's almost complete. Okay, after complete, then you can get this option for installing. Just you need to select yes. Okay, now I minimize all and then you need to click on yes. You can read this instruction and now click on install. Then okay, then done. Okay, there you can see this is WinRAR exe file shortcut. If you want to use shortcut on your home page Windows, just click it and then you need select it at first, then click and then you can see option copy, then cut it, then paste here. There you can see this is WinRAR. So now you can use this application. So guys, in this way you can download and install WinRAR on your Windows laptop very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.